Y'all, I am so tired. This took me a day and a half. A day and a half.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shree Wallace, and if you're new here and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and then hit that like button and share with your friends, okay? And if you're an OG here, welcome back and thank you for your loyalty, right? All right. So I'm doing I'm not doing mini twists. I did mini twists, like I literally just finished, and I just kind of want to use this video to show you how I go throughout my week to keep frizz down, to keep it looking moisturized, because this is how it's looking right now. I put twists in 2 weeks ago because I went to get a trim, so I put twists in directly after that, and then I washed it yesterday and I started retwisting and I just finished. So yeah. So I want to take you on this 2-week journey with me to show you like the different hairstyles you can do with mini twists and how to keep that frizz down, because that's the main factor, is keeping that frizz down and keeping your scalp clean. Okay, so come along with me on this journey, and like I said, hit that like button and that subscribe button for me. Okay, and leave a comment if you want to see how I put these in and like the detailed in-depth or full depth steps of how I put these in. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video and let's go. Good morning. Today is Sunday, so it's one day later. I forgot to show you how I wrap my hair when I go to sleep to keep all the frizz down. So basically I just leave the back out. Because I have a silk pillowcase, and that doesn't work for me, but I just use this to keep the frizz down. So we're going to take this down and I'm going to style it for today because I'm going to church. Then I'll show you my outfit and everything together once I'm done. And then it's all smushed down. I'm going to give it a quick shake and yeah, we'll be good. So the thing with this is a really loose part of my hair as far as curl, like really loose curl. So the products weigh it down. What I do to shrink it back up to this length, because these used to be that long, all I have to do is wet it and then it shrinks back up because it's just being completely weighed down by the products I used. All right. By the time I need to go to church, should be shrunken. Oh, so first, what's in here is aloe vera juice. Half aloe vera juice and half water. So I use this to spray on my hair every day. Like, looking at my hair now, it's still pretty moisturized and it feels really moisturized, so I don't need to spray it all over my head to give it that moisture. So probably the second day, I let my hair tell me, basically. So I think I want to leave the front down. Yeah, let's do that. And then, in a little tip, the more you wear ponytails with this style, with the mini twist, the more loose your twists get at the roots because you're pulling. So if you want them to stay really close to the root, like tight, then you probably shouldn't wear a lot of ponytails. You see it's shrinking already, so they're about even. I think I'm gonna change these earrings. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the back of my head because I don't think I did that in my last clip. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the back. Yeah, so This is day 1 hair. Like you see, roots are still nice and tight. You got no frizz. I think she's looking good. Okay, so I'm going to put my shoes on. I'm going to show you my whole outfit. And I think I'm going to change my earrings to these. Are they loud? I don't like loud things in my ear. I'll see how it looks with the whole outfit with my shoes. All right, so I'll be back. Day 3. Hey, what's up, guys? So this is day 3. I've been up and about already. Had my hair in a ponytail, so my hair is a little stretched. So all I'm going to do today, because my scalp is feeling a little itchy, I'm going to spray my aloe vera juice / water on my scalp. And then some Head and Shoulders, Instant Soothe Scalp and Scalp Elixir. Yeah. So you just spray this on your scalp and then you massage it in. So that's all I'm going to do today. Oh, and I'm not spraying it on the length of my hair because it's still very moisturized. And I'm not applying any oils to my ends either because I still feel the olive oil on my hair. So she's good. Oh. Okay, so I'm empty this bottle out and then I'll start on the new one. Okay, and since I don't want my roots to be frizzy, the way I'm going to massage it in is just rubbing down instead of like just random, because it keeps my hair from getting all loose and frizzy. So I get underneath and then I just rub down. So yeah. Where it feels like really dry and itchy, I just make sure I concentrate on those areas. Like I said, this stuff has peppermint oil in it, so it feels like really tingly. All right, so that's it for today. I'm gonna throw her back up in a ponytail, and yeah, I'm done. So she's still looking good. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey, what's up, everybody? So I'm back. I think this is day 5 or 6. I'll put it down below once I figure it out. So I had this on all day. It's like 6 o'clock right now, and my scalp has been itchy all day, and my hair still feels pretty moisturized, but my scalp has been pretty itchy. So I'm going to wet my hair with some aloe vera juice and water mixture, and then put this on my scalp. Like I said, this works really well, and it has peppermint oil in it. And then I'm going to top it off with some jojoba oil, only on my scalp. So, like I said, it's been like this all day. I have this braided, so I'm just gonna unbraid it because it's really easy to braid back, so ain't no big deal. And you see, like, the frizz is still maintained. It's really no frizz, to be honest. So, you see how my hair shreds, so I'm gonna wet it, like the length of my hair, scalp, and all. This is just add moisture back into my strands. She really doesn't need it, actually, because it's pretty moisturized. And I like to make sure I get my ends. Okay, so that is like soaking wet. And then I spray this directly on my scalp, and on my scalp only. This feels so good. Y'all, and it smells really good as well. So like if you have problems with your scalp being dry and itchy, definitely get you this. And I like to go around the edge, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna rub that in. Like I said previously, I always rub down just to keep the frizz down. Honestly, don't know if that does anything, but it helps me feel better about myself. Oh, that feels so good. A nice scalp massage is like, oh my goodness. And then some jojoba oil. I'm just gonna put it randomly and then rub it in. The thing I love about Twist is so easy to apply like oil and moisture to your hair because your scalp is easily accessible. Okay, so that's in. Then I'm gonna rub that down as well. Okay, so that's done. Scalp is looking good and clean. But yeah, like it's almost a week. Like 2 more days will make a week, and you see it's barely any frizz. Like once this dries from being wet, it's like barely any frizz. So since my hair is wet and I just manipulated it, I am going to put this on to let it dry so there won't be any frizz, you know, any new frizz at least. So we're just gonna let it dry in place and then there won't be any frizz. And I just keep this on until tomorrow because I'm not going anywhere today. So, and I will show you guys how my hair looks at the end of 2 weeks because I literally just repeat these steps. Okay, let's say this. So, and I leave the back out because the bottom doesn't really get frizzy. So this is what I do. On, I think it was like the 2nd or 3rd day, I showed you guys that I sprayed my aloe vera and water mixture. So I spray that all over my head, scalp, and the length of my hair. So I do that every day, usually after the 3rd day. And that's just to give that extra boost, extra moisture. And that's all I do every day. I just spray that mixture. And if my hair feels like it needs more oil, like I can still feel the olive oil on my hair. So I don't add any extra oil to the length of my hair, only to my scalp. So every day I apply this, and if my scalp is itchy, only if it's itchy, I apply my head and shoulders. And if it's been like today's like day 5 or whatever, my scalp could use some oil, so some jojoba oil. So it's really like that cycle I repeat the next week. So I'm not going to show you guys every single day again because it's literally the same thing. So I will come back on day 14 since it's 2 weeks, and I'll show you how my hair looks. Hopefully it's not a boatload of frizz, which I expected since it's literally 2 weeks going. And then we'll go from there. All right, see y'all next time. Hey, what's up guys? I'm back. So, okay, so I have a confession. This is actually my 3rd week. So my hair usually lasts for like at least 2 weeks, and I could push it to the 3rd week, but then my scalp gets all itchy and start yelling at me. So I was lazy and pushed it to the 3rd week. And like you see, it's dirty, right? And it's time to wash it. So this is the 3rd week. So this is how it looks. Like, okay, just looking at it, it's not like frizz overload, but if you look in between, you start to see all the frizz and that it needs to be retwisted. It's bad. Okay, so actually what's going to happen this week is I'm taking this out today so I can wash my hair tomorrow, and then I'm going to try knotless box braids for the first time. Like, I don't get braids in my hair like at all really, so I'm going to try that, and I'm going to shoot the video for you all so you can see how it turns out. And I'm super excited because like I've never tried knotless braids, and like I usually don't get braids in my hair. Like, this is what I do. I twist my hair. So yeah, so this is how it looks, and it's week 3. This is actually not bad for week 3 compared to some other times I had my hair twisted. This looks good compared. Like I said, it's all about the products that you use, and the products that I use to refresh my hair that you all have seen is my aloe vera and water mixture. I changed my bottle. So I have aloe vera, have water, and some jojoba oil. And that's pretty much all I used. Okay. There we go. That's pretty much all I used to refresh my hair. And I sprayed the aloe vera water mixture on my hair. In the first week is every other day. But then like the second week, I do it every day because it starts to get a lot more drier. So this is how it looks, and it doesn't look that bad for the 3rd week, to be honest. So yeah, I hope these tips helped you. Let me know if you're able to keep your twist in longer using these tips. And you don't have to use what I use. Use products that work for you. Okay? So as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. All right? Peace.